They are in Mother Center children. They grew up in Mother Center, went to schools living there. Sometimes carrying books. But here they're not in America, they go to their high school. So let's take us through the journey of women. The topic is 10 years of leveraging girls in 10 years of leveraging girls in rural communities, the SDGs in practice of Europe. Why are we focusing on the education of the girls? Chair, the moderator has said a lot about it. But from our own perspective, again, is the fact that that education shows when they are healthy. Because you have to know when you are sick to be able to know what to do. So from education, it's like a holistic kind of approach because it gives you a lot. So the next one is kind of 2 minutes of showing. Okay, a 2-minute journey through the Maya Center 10-year journey. The next one will be the SDGs that directly are in the Maya Center path, the ones we deal with directly. The next one are the ones we brush through when we are dealing with the core SDGs. Then the next 3 years, our projection.